Hello and welcome to the lecture on benefit versus challenges of using Boomi. I'm happy to have you in this lecture. The objective of this lecture is to help you understand benefits versus challenges of using Boomi in detail. So without wasting another moment, let's dive deep into the subject. So in this lecture, we'll analyze both the benefits and the challenges of using Boomi platform from an enterprise integration perspective. This is a very important discussion because every technology, no matter how powerful or popular, comes with a trade-off, right? And integration architects, consultant, or decision makers, you have to understand these trade-offs, which help them making informed choices. Okay, so let's explore both sides in a structured way. So first part, we'll look at the benefits of using the Boomi. First benefit is basically unified platform for all integration needs. So Boomi offers a single unified platform that brings together the integration and automation, data management, API management, B2B or EDI, event streams, and also the AI. This means organizations do not need separate tool for each capability. Everything is centrally managed, simplifying architecture and reducing tool sprawl. For example, a company can integrate SAP ERP, Salesforce CRM, and e-commerce platform while also managing APIs, workflows within the same environment. The another benefit is the low-code development, which is nothing but leads to faster delivery. So Boomi is a low-code iPaaS. Most tasks like mapping, transformation, or workflows can be done through drag and drop. This reduces the development time drastically and allows business analysts and function consultants to participate in the integration work. As an example, a data sync between CRM and ERP that earlier took weeks in traditional middleware can be built in just a few days. Boomi also have large library of pre-built connectors. So Boomi offers hundreds of connectors for SaaS, ERP, CRM, database, cloud storage, messaging system, B2B networks, and more. The pre-built connectors reduce complexity and avoid the need for custom adapters. For example, if a company wants to integrate Shopify, Salesforce, SAP, Workday, or NetSuite, Boomi already has a connector ready. Next is the distributed runtime model. So Boomi runtimes can run anywhere: cloud, on-prem, hybrid, private network, or edge environment. This enables organizations to integrate older on-prem systems with modern cloud systems easily. For example, an on-prem SAP system can be connected to Salesforce using a local runtime for secure data movement. Next benefit is highly scalability and elastic cloud operations. So Boomi is cloud native. The platform handles scaling, upgrades, patching, monitoring, and high availability. The customer does not manage infrastructure. So teams can focus on integration logic instead of managing the server. Faster time to value. So business can go live quickly because connectors are ready, mapping tools are visual, processes are reusable, AI assist with suggestions and mapping. This rapid delivery brings quick business value and accelerate digital transformation. Boomi provides centralized monitoring, logging, and audit trails, policy management, encryption, role-based access, API policies. This ensures enterprise level control and compliance. Boomi also has benefit from strong ecosystem. Boomi ecosystem includes marketplace with pre-built solutions, partner networks, community and knowledge resources, AI agents and templates. So this ecosystem reduces total effort and supports rapid growth. So next part, we'll look at the challenges of using Boomi. Even though Boomi offers many benefits, it's important to understand what organization may face challenges, and these challenges may differ depending on the company size, technical maturity, and existing infrastructure. The first challenge is cost as organization grows. Boomi uses subscription model, right? While initial costs are manageable and expenses basically can increase as the integration goes, the runtime increases, API volume rises, and the additional capabilities like master data hub or event stream, if they are added, the company must pay the total cost of ownership very carefully. Next challenges is the learning curve for non-integration teams. So Boomi simplifies integration, but concepts such as mapping, document types, distributed runtimes, or API policies still requires some part of learning. The non-technical team may not have time to understand integration fundamentals. So this is not a Boomi limitation, it is inherited to all integration platforms. Next is performance tuning for very large volumes. So Boomi handles most use cases well, but extremely large volumes, heavy batch jobs, very high throughput B2B traffic may require careful architecture design, runtime clustering, and performance optimization. Next challenges is customization limits in some areas. Boomi is a low code by design, right? However, low code comes with boundaries, right? So complex custom logic may need scripting like Groovy or JavaScript. Highly specialized transformation may require workarounds. The deep customer integration sometimes need careful design. So in rare cases, organization may feel constrained. Next limitation is dependency on the cloud connectivity. Since Boomi is cloud based, so if a company has strict no cloud policies, the adoption may be difficult. The network configurations must be properly set like firewall, VPN and proxies. The offline deployment is not possible. The hybrid models are supported through local runtimes, but connectivity must be planned carefully. Next challenges is the vendor lock-in. Any iPaaS basically creates a dependency on the vendors for connector framework, runtime engine, mapping tools, deployment models, subscription structure. So migrating away from iPaaS take time and planning because this is not a Boomi issue alone. It is true for MuleSoft, SAP CPI, Workato or all iPaaS tools as well. Next challenge is complex governance for very large enterprises. In very large global organization, multiple teams build integrations. Different business units share the same platform. Even the naming conventions, versioning and deployment pipelines need governance. So without strong governance rules, the environment can become cluster. And Boomi provides governance tool, but they must be used consistently. So let's look at the third part, which is basically when Boomi is the best fit. The Boomi is ideal for organization that needs faster delivery, hybrid integration, cloud plus on-premise connectivity, pre-built connectors, API data, workflow and EDI in one platform, the low code environment, distributed runtime model. It is practically strong for SaaS heavy organizations like Salesforce, NetSuite, Workday, SuccessFactors, Shopify. Boomi is very the best fit in this kind of scenarios. So next is when challenge may occur. Challenges become more visible when extremely high volume batched processing is required. Business require highly customized integration code. Budget constraint exists for expanding the subscription. Strict regulation environments block cloud-based tools. In such cases, careful planning and architecture designs are required. So in summary, Boomi provides significant advantages such as speed, low-code development, hybrid capabilities, and a unified platform. However, like any technology, it comes with challenges around cost, scaling, governance, high-volume performance, and vendor dependency. The key is not to ask, is Boomi perfect? The question is Boomi the right fit for our integration vision, architecture, and business goals? With the right strategy and governance, Boomi becomes very a powerful enabler or a modern enterprise connectivity. I hope you are now familiar with benefits versus challenge of using Boomi. Well, that's the end of the session, so let's wrap it up. By now, you should be able to explain benefit versus challenges of using Boomi in your own terms. Thank you so much for attention listening till the end. I wish you a fantastic day. Bye and take care.